so long since I have done a video, and I definitely miss it a lot. I went away for 2 weeks for an event, and it was very last minute, so I didn't have a chance to film my March videos. So that is why I decided not to film, because I could, but then I was a little rushed and I just didn't want to do rush content. So I decided that I'll just take those weeks off and then come back and we're ready to go. So today we're doing a vlog because I've been back for a few days now. On the weekend I did a lot of random things, and then on Monday yesterday I was doing a lot of like normal things that I have to do, like social media and stuff. And today is Tuesday, so today I am back on track, and today's video is more about getting back on track and things like that. I did do one thing I already did is I already cleaned the studio, but I still need to clean my room and everything, because if you don't remember, my uncle was here for like 3 weeks and I moved everything in my room, so my room is like really messy right now, so I definitely need to fix that. But other than that, I think I got most of the studio back to its shape. And yeah, so today I'll be sharing with you kind of like the day of my life. I am going to head out to the grocery store to grab some groceries and food so that I can be prepped for the week. I was planning to wake up early today, but that obviously didn't work out because I guess I just missed my bed. So yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna go and head to the grocery store, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So before I head out, I'm going to share with you my little grocery list. So I'm just have this really simple. I just keep it in these new lists. Sticky notes. Sorry, I just blanked out for a second. But if you haven't been around, I think this is new and I haven't showed it in my channel yet. So Poinhan had these more neutral sticky notes. If you remember, I had more of like a purpley sticky note with marble. So now we have some neutral versions. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you go check that out, and you can use my code LifeWithHolly15 for 15% off, and it's not focusing. So yeah, but yeah, so I'm just gonna write a little list before I head out. And I'm going to head out now. I think I'm pretty good. Whatever I see, I'll probably just buy too. So yeah. Okay, I am back from the groceries, and I guess I'll just show you a little bit of what I got. It's been a while since I got groceries, so I just got some really random things. So first thing I have is yogurt, because I like making smoothies, and I wish I made them more often, but I always buy yogurt for that. Sometimes if I want a sweet drink, I have apple juice. I won't drink it unless it's like midday, I guess. Then I got some little snacks, and these were on sale, and these are my favorite snacks to have. They're the Lunchmates. I don't know if they have this in the US. I think they do, but it's pretty much just a little snack. It's usually for kids, but works the same. And then I just stocked up some more frozen fruits. I just have the blueberry in here, and then on this side I have a salad for those snack times if I'm just feeling hungry. And then I bought this little Brita for my fridge so I can have some cold water, because I do have a Brita that I pour boiled water in because I haven't changed the filter, and that's just for my normal water. And then this one will be for cold water, and it'll be in the fridge and nice and small and compact. And that's basically it. I didn't buy too many things. I also went to Starbucks to pick up a drink, and now we can talk more about what I'm going to do. Okay, so I put away the groceries. I'm drinking my coffee and I gotta eat my bagel. But before I eat my bagel, I have to do what I was supposed to do on a Monday, is to kind of figure out my week. I didn't do that yesterday on Monday because I was just doing social media and any little things I had to do, and then had to clean up the studio, so I didn't get a chance to do that yet. So today I'll be doing that because I definitely need to be catching up with work, and I'll share with you a little bit of what I'm working on and things like that in a bit. And yeah, so I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so I just finished writing in my planner and then I kind of put them in different days for this week. So that is good to go. Let me tell you a little bit more about my plans for, I guess for the rest of 2020. For Point Hunt, I'm deciding that I want to really work really hard and plan things beforehand instead of planning things month by month. In the beginning of the year, I wanted to do that, but I didn't really have a chance to. I'm not really sure why. So that's why I'm going to be sitting down either today or tomorrow and kind of like planning out things that I want to do. There's a lot of things that I wanted to do, but I didn't really think about it that much. So I guess now's the time to do that. So that is for Point Hunt, and then for Life with Holly, I'm going to continue doing videos. I really like doing videos, it's super fun, and I like building up kind of like a platform for that. Other than that, I am also going to kind of switch my niche in business coaching. Right now I'm targeting, I guess, more creative people that have a lot in their mind, but they just don't know how to like make it happen, if that makes sense, because a lot of times people have so many things going on in their head that to make it happen it's like a whole new world for them. So I definitely want to be trying to helping people do that, but I haven't been promoting my business coaching that much, so I haven't been able to like motivate myself to keep going on with that, but I did do a little bit beforehand, so I do have some experience. But now that I've thought about it, and I think I want to do more coaching for people that do multiple businesses, because right now I have like 3 different businesses that I'm running, and it can be difficult and confusing at the same time, and I really want to help people get their ground together, make sure that they plan everything so that they can run all businesses really well. So that is what I've been thinking about recently, and I definitely can't wait to see where that takes me. And for Sparkle and White, which is my design studio and business, so if you ever need logo, branding, website, or even a photography, like product photography, I would love to help you out with that. But for that business, I think I need to grow it a little more, because I think I've been working too much on Life with Holly and Point Hunt that I kind of forgot about Sparkle and White, and I need to do my own little promotions for that, because right now I am just basically getting referrals and stuff like that. So yeah, so that is my little chat on what I'm gonna do. So right now I'm just gonna go take a break. I'm gonna eat my bagel that I got earlier, and probably eat my lunch that my mom made, and then I'll kind of see where that goes and talk to you soon. And if I don't come back, I'm probably just cleaning my room, because my room is a mess. But yes, I'll talk to you in a bit. So I was just eating my bagel and I noticed that my desk is really messy, so I am going to clean it really quick to make sure that afterwards I can do my work in peace and not have stuff all over the place like garbage and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so this is today's lunch. Mama Ho, which is my mom, made this spaghetti, and I really like pasta, so that's nice when she makes that. She makes like kind of like a lunch every week, so that when she's at work, we have food to eat. So decided to dig in, and other than that, I'll share with you a little bit of my work day, and that's pretty much it. I'll show you a little bit of my room too to explain more about that, and yeah, so talk soon. Okay, so now work is done and now it's time to clean. This is definitely my least favorite part. So if you remember of the last vlog I did, I was sharing with you the little kind of like desk space that I made for myself when my uncle was here. So this is what it was. Obviously now it's a big mess because I decided to put everything there. It's now kind of like a storage space, which I don't think is good. So I definitely need to return this temporary table back to my mom, and I'm thinking about purchasing a really small table to kind of decorate and have like a little home office vibe in here, but I'm still thinking about that because I don't think I'll actually work in here, but it's nice for photos and stuff, so I'm still deciding on that. But as you can see, I'm definitely going to be cleaning this up, and I guess that's pretty much the end of this vlog. But yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my kind of like reset and cleaning kind of vlog. I don't really know what this vlog is going to be called, but I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles, and make sure to join my journal prompt. It's still going on. It's the whole month of March. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!